Alright, so we're going to do something called conditional formatting. So basically, a conditional formatting is just a formatting that you will apply to give some visuals in. So some people may grasp the information by use of colors and so on. So right now the information just like in text format, just words, letters, right? So let's say we want to make this into a little format this into a conditional formatted, probably a color or something, right? So first thing that we do, we select, and we want to put this probably like a data bar. So you go to home, you go to conditional formatting, and you'll see something called data bars, and you have different colors. You have green, blue. So I probably use let's say I use the orange in this case, or the blue. So I'm going to use the blue. So what you will notice that based on the figures in the box, the bar will show or indicate accordingly. So you know that the ones that fail, they have a bar way shorter here. Seeing it? So if the figures change, the bar will change accordingly. Let us do our formatting to the ones who pass and fail. So what I want to put all those who pass in green and all those who fail in red. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select everything, conditional formatting, and from here now we're gonna look at highlight cells rule. And this is an important part. So you only want to see the ones in green is pass. So we're gonna put here equal to, so click here, and then this box will come up. So the ones in pass will show green filled with dark green text. So in this case, I'm specifying to the computer all that has the word pass will be shown in green. Now if you click OK, what you will notice automatically those that pass is in green and in green text, right? So say for you're gonna select the same text, the same range, but in this case we're going to look at field. So conditional formatting again, we go to highlight cell rules and we go down to equal to. So those in red is the ones that fail. So in this case I type in fail in the box, so I'm telling the computer highlight the ones in red as the fail in red, right? So you see what happened here now? So let's say for some reason I made a mistake here. Let me just change this to short or something. So if I change this and I put 80 here, right? See what happened? Automatically the bar change, the color change, everything, because it come like pass. So when you make changes, it automatically the formatting and everything and the formula will adjust accordingly. Let me just put it back. So you see, that's a good thing with Excel. Once you change stuff, it will automatically fix the rest of stuff. Alright, so this is what we call conditional formatting. Alright, what I want to do now, I want to put this information to what we call a table or a table form. So I select all the table headings, which is basically this, select everything here. So I want to put this in that table. Go to format as a table, and you can adjust how you want it to look. Let's say I want to look like, let's say this, blue on here, right? It will ask you, are you sure you want to put these headings as a table? Yes, these are my table header, which is student name mathematics. So just as you would see, once I highlight like how I did here, just come up, just click OK. And what will happen, it will adjust everything to a table format, as you can see here. So right now what I did, I put this as a table format. Right? The next thing I want to do some formatting here as well. You could probably change this color, probably put a blue here. I want to change up some information. I probably just change the text color itself or something. Alright, blue. Alright, so you see, simple formatting. So we did conditional formatting, we did data bars, we did the actual highlight cell, which is highlight cell rules. In this case, we use equal to pass, equal to fail, and we did a table, how to put the information in a table format. Just remember, you just select information like this, go to format as a table and select. Once the box come up here, select OK. And you can even change it. If I don't like that one, I can change it to a different one. That's probably like, which one I like? We'll try this one. See, you can even change the format of the table. So we did conditional formatting, table format, right?